yes sir, yes sir. Back with another video. What's good, YouTube family? Today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all two pair of shoes that just came in. Don't mind the fit, man. I've been moving shit all day. Still trying to get situated in the crib. Two pair of shoes just got dropped off by the mailman. So I wanted to take a little break. You know, do this video for y'all. Show y'all what's in store for the day. With that being said, these two pair of shoes, Flamers, them shits is hard, both in my size, and I don't plan on, they ain't going nowhere. Well, I got two pair of Kobe's. One of them getting sold, and the other one I'm keeping, and then I got some 4s. I'm definitely keeping them. But let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. So first and foremost, RIP to Kobe. Told you I got a pair of his shoes in here with some 4s. So RIP Kobe. The first shoe I'm gonna show y'all. Well, let me just show y'all both of the boxes. Flamers, size 12 on both of them. The Kobe's up top, the 4s at the bottom. Y'all gonna love the 4s. They ain't even dropped yet. The Kobe box, super Flamers. It's got the like the snake skin, like the Mamba snake skin material on the box. Everybody knows his logo. Focus in on that. His logo. Oh yeah, these is straight from Nike. I can show receipts if y'all want to see that. But yeah, the Mamba skin on the box, super hard. You know, your regular Jordan flight box. Flamers, size 12. These might be the shoe of the year. The shoe of the year. No cap. These is hard. I probably won't never wear them. They just too clean to even put on. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna start with the Kobe's first. As you know, got to pay my respect to Kobe. Yes sir, yes sir. So boom, we got the Kobe 6s. They're called the Protro Italian Camo. And I hit on sneakers for them. It was a shock drop. I think it was a shock drop. But they dropped the Venice Beaches as well. I didn't hit for those. So sad, so sad. But the camouflage look, these is hard, by the way. Oh, super hard. Super hard. Super hard. Pause. But the camo, if I'm not mistaken, is when Kobe in his early career was in Italy. And I believe that's why they're called Italy camo or something like that. But I'm pretty sure that's what the camouflage is for. Scoot up. And as you can see, it still got that snake skin material on the shoe. I mean, most Kobe 6s have this. Everybody knows that. And it's got your, I forgot what this is. You know, the stuff you feel so you can read if you can't see. But yeah, super hard. Then the bottom, you got your snake skin at the bottom as well. You got your Kobe sign on the tongue. Then you got the 2-4. See if it zooms in or focus in. You got the 2-4 inside the shoe on that tongue. Let's see. Yeah, these is hard. You got a signature on the back. It's really your regular Kobe 6, but the details on it is extra crazy. Yeah, this shoe's hard. And I probably won't never ever wear these, really. And I ain't gonna case them up or nothing. It's just a, you know, $400-500 shoe. I know before they dropped, they was at like 300. When they dropped, they shot up to 400. And then like a couple of days after, they shot up to 5. And that's when I damn sold my pair. Then maybe a day or that day, they ended up sinking down to like 400, 430. But yeah, I sold my other pair. I think I'm gonna keep these. Well, I know I'm gonna keep these. Yeah, it's gonna go in the shoe room. Super, super hard shoe. Then for all my hoopers or all my real Kobe fans, it's got the Nike Zoom cushion bottoms. Everybody know that's a comfortable shoe to hoop in. Anytime you got that comfortable cushion at the bottom, oh, you got no type of ankle support. But yeah, this real comfortable for a hooping shoe. And I really like this shoe right here. This is not something you just wear out and about. This is a hooping shoe. And people be wearing shit like this with jeans. Like, bro, get it together. I mean, you can do it, you feel me? If you got that shit on, you got that shit on. But this ain't no streetwear shoe. This is a hooping shoe. Or, you know, you going to an AAU tournament and you want some chill. You got basketball shorts on. You got some baggy pants on, some sweatpants. Then you can wear these, but with some jeans. I got a homeboy that, one of my boys, this nigga used to wear, everybody know what Jordan 10s is. He used to wear Jordan 10s with some damn jeans, some baggy jeans. Some boot cut jeans, that's what the hell they was. They in style now, but back in 17, 16, them shits was not it. My boy know who he is too when he see this video. He gonna be weak as hell. But yeah, these the Kobe's, man. I wish I would have hit for the Venus Beaches. Them are hard, and the market dropped on them too. So I might cop them, get my Kobe collection up. Next, we got the 4s. We got the military blue 4s. These were a shock drop. These shits is so hard. Look, just look at the shoe. Hard. And 4's always been my second favorite shoe. You know, it's everybody that know me, 1s is my favorite shoe. Then it's 4's. 4's are just so hard. Look at the mesh pads. Got the tongue. It's your regular Jordan 4. The colorway is crazy. You got your like, I think it's like a Colombian blue or military. Oh, I know it's a military blue, but the blue's hard. It's got like a white material, and then this suede on the toe box. How can I describe it? It's like I wouldn't say gray, and I wouldn't say off-white. Off-white normally like yellow. I would say, yeah, light gray. A real light gray. Kind of matches this. You know, you got your stars. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear these. Probably put them up, add them to the collection. These is hard. I don't know why Nike be damn tightening these shits up tight as hell. Tough shoe. You can wear anything with this. I'm talking about jeans, skinny jeans. Oh, no, let me take that back. Because if you wear a 13 B-Nod and you 5'8" and you got on skinny jeans, hell no. Your shoe gonna look like this. And your leg gonna look like this. Do not wear skinny jeans with bigger, bulkier shoes. Throw some baggy jeans on. Baggy jeans is in style these days. Nobody wear no damn skinny jeans no more any damn way. Or some baggy sweatpants so it could grip that whole shoe like, pause. It can cover the whole shoe like that. Nobody wears skinny jeans no more to where you see the whole shoe. Another thing, if you do got on some, whatever pants you got, I better not see the jeans like that with the tongue sticking out. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed if I see you got your jeans on like that and your tongue sticking out. I'm gonna be a pissed damn individual, I tell you that. Leave that tongue back damn. Everybody know what damn shoe you got on if you wear some baggy jeans that cover up the shoe. Everybody know what you got on. You ain't got to show off the damn Jordan, son. Damn. You got your Nike Air in the back. Everybody knows that's all the 4s is like that. Your Flight, tongue. You got your Air Jordan on the inside of the tongue. Yeah, I told y'all these. I don't know, what y'all think, YouTube? YouTube. Let me take these out. Y'all taking the Kobe's or the 4s? You know, and this non-biased, you know, for all my Kobe fans or all my Jordan fans. And, you know, like I said, R.I.P. Kobe for Shursky. But what shoe you taking? Damn, that box ain't staying still. You taking the Kobe's or you taking the 4skis? I'm going with the 4s. Got to. This shoe is so universal. You can do so much with this damn shoe. This shoe has just got to go in the shoe room and just collect dust. And I just look at them and think how great Kobe is. Yeah, I don't know. But you can do a lot with this shoe. I'm talking about different colorways, different types of pants, different types of shorts, different types of socks, hats. I mean, you can match this with anything. The color, you know, we can work with the color, but in damn ways. This, with that kind of orange, I forgot the name of the orange. I just read it a couple days ago. I mean, I forgot what color orange this is. I just read it earlier today when I first started doing research on these. I forgot what orange this is. I did some research on it when I hit on sneakers. Well, I knew what the shoe is. I'm talking about research as far as color and stuff like that. But which one, YouTube? Oh, wrong way. Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, this is thumbnail, too. This, let me tell you, hey, this backstage. I mean, this behind the scenes of my, of my thumbnails. You gotta get a video or take pictures of how your camera's set up, or if you record on your phone, just like how you record, but pictures. But that's it, YouTube, man. I just want to do something real slight for y'all, short video. This ain't my normal vlog or my normal long video. Ain't nothing long, it's short, sweet, with nothing but flamers. Appreciate y'all for tuning in as always. I got some more content for y'all. I'm telling you, and it's from like a week or two ago that I ain't uploaded yet, because I ain't finished editing it. But we're gonna get to it. We're gonna drop that video as well. Probably drop this video in a couple days. So boom. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, YouTube, and D-Jax out, baby.